Welcome to this incredible property tour of a truly stunning custom-built home. As we approach this beautiful all-brick residence, you'll notice its elegant facade and serene location on a quiet street in the highly sought-after Woodridge neighborhood. Step inside and you'll be captivated by the spaciousness and beauty of the living room. Large windows fill the room with natural light, while custom molding adds a touch of sophistication. Next to the living room, we have the formal dining room, where you can host unforgettable dinners and create cherished memories with your loved ones. Moving on, we enter the inviting family room. This cozy yet spacious area provides the perfect gathering space for relaxation and quality time with family and friends. Now, let's explore the luxurious master bedroom. With its hardwood floors and stylish plantation shutters, this serene retreat offers a peaceful ambience and a place to unwind after a long day. Connected to the master bedroom, we find the lavish master bathroom. Featuring marble countertops, heated floors, and modern fixtures. It's a private oasis where you can pamper yourself and indulge in relaxation. The guest bathroom continues the theme of elegance, boasting high-end fixtures and impeccable design that will impress your visitors. Now, let's step into the heart of the home, the stunning kitchen. This culinary masterpiece features marble and silestone countertops, beautiful tile floors, and state-of-the-art appliances, combining functionality with timeless style. Conveniently located, the well-appointed laundry room offers modern appliances and ample storage space, making laundry tasks a breeze. Now, let's head upstairs to discover the private quarters of this remarkable home. The upper level offers several spacious and well-designed bedrooms, providing comfortable retreats for family members or guests. Each room offers a tranquil atmosphere and tasteful finishes. From the upstairs landing, you'll enjoy an impressive view of the family room below. The high ceilings and abundant natural light create a sense of openness and warmth throughout the home. Now, let's step outside and explore the remarkable outdoor living spaces that complement this exceptional home. The expansive patio invites you to unwind and entertain in style. Whether you're hosting a barbecue, lounging in the sun, or simply enjoying the fresh air, this outdoor retreat provides a perfect setting for relaxation and enjoyment.